All I want, all I wanna be with you. we'll see how it goes in the edits. So basically I've got two motorbikes to paint. They're both going gloss black. Some of them was bare metal, some of it's plastics. So we've got Vincent Black Shadow frame. The frame piece is already epoxied, and then we've got some brake. There's four of them, so they're all going gloss black. And then we've got a Kawasaki motorbike. So the tank had a little bit of filler work, a couple of little dings that we've just done first, and then we're going to coat all that, seal all that in, and then if there's anything else, the epoxy will show it up because it leaves like a bit of a sheet, and then we can deal with that quickly, and then we can get the high build prime on, and then we'll get all that flatted, and then basically a gloss black the entire lot. So these have all been prepped. Customers prepped a lot of it. We've just finished off a few bits and pieces. The front mudguard had some extra holes, so we've just welded them up. Yeah, it's a little bit of tidying up to do on that. See where they used to be or not. So we've got that plastic welding rod, so we just basically open up each side of the hole and then weld the rod in, sand all that back and just quick tidy up, sort it out then. We prefer doing it that way. Some people just fill them up full of fiberglass and then they tend to pop out, or they'll shrink back and you'll see the ring of where they used to be, which is why we like to think do it properly. So never had a comeback on them, so never an issue. So we've basically got to put this on bait now, just bait this epoxy off because we're trying to get quite a bit done today. Yeah, and I'll try and show you the processes going forward. Might not be a particularly long video, but we'll see when we get there. And right, yeah, so I'll go and put it on bake, and then we'll come back and sort these out. Bye for now. Hello, right, welcome back. We've done loads of priming, loads of repairs, loads of prepping, loads of hanging up. So now we're about ready to paint. Pretty easy if I just show you. So these are the brake drums. That's the Kawasaki tank. Kawasaki parts. This is the Vincent Black Shadow bits. Same as them brake drums. These are more than Kawasaki parts. So what we're going to do is get some gloves on and then try and get all these painted. So we need 3 coats. They're all going direct gloss black. That's what the customer wanted. So it's just basically 3 coats, and then we'll have another all around them. So I'll put you over here for now. I'll show you one coat going on, and then I'll walk around at the end. getting all painted now. We can see all gloss black. And we can see them. Tank turned out nice actually, if you can see that properly. So we've got all these little bits done. So now all these are done, we've given them a bake. I've already had some lunch. So just got to have a look at them when they're dry properly. Make sure there's no issues. Yeah, everything looks alright. Everything looks alright from what I can see at the moment. So we'll give them a double check in the morning, flatten and polish, and we'll get them back to the customer. That'll be it for this video. We're still moving stuff around, so yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that beautiful stuff. See you again.